Hey guys, welcome to VTechAcademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss heights and distances. So, in this section, the different formula you have learned will be applied to certain practical problems such as finding the height of the tower. So, let us consider a tower here, and now tell me how will you find the height of such tower. So, using this concept, the heights of tower, heights of flag mast, and also the distance between the two objects that are visible can be measured. But sometimes it becomes very difficult to find such heights and distances. So we use this topic under two key concepts, that is angle of elevation and angle of depression. So using both these concepts, we can find the heights of a tower, height of a flag mast, and also distance between any of the objects. So first, let me explain angle of elevation. So angle of elevation is an angle formed when an observer observes the object at a higher level than the eye. So then the angle which is formed between the line of sight and the horizontal line is said to be the angle of elevation. Now let me explain this using a diagram over here. So here we have a tower. This person observes top of the tower, which is an object at the height h. So then the angle which is formed between the line of sight and the horizontal line is said to be the angle of elevation. Then this is the angle of elevation, and here this is the horizontal line drawn through the observer's eye, and here this is the line of observation which is in the upward direction, so we can name this line as the line of sight. And now let us discuss about angle of depression. So angle of depression is the angle formed between the horizontal line drawn through the observer's eye and the line joining the eye to any object, where the object is at lower level than the eye, and the line of observation will be in the downward direction. And now let me explain this concept using a rough diagram over here. So here, assume that this is an object making 90 degrees with the horizontal line. So here this is horizontal line, and here there is an observer, say person or eye of the observer, who is observing an object at the ground. So here there is an object and whose line of observation is in the downward direction. So this is nothing but the line of sight which is in downward direction. And now let us draw a horizontal line through the observer's eye. So this is the horizontal line, and the angle made between this horizontal line and the line of sight is called as angle of depression. And here the common difference between both angle of elevation and angle of depression is that the observer eye observes the object in upward direction in case of angle of elevation, and in case of angle of depression, the observer observes an object in downward direction. And the angle of elevation as well as the angle of depression are measured with the reference of horizontal line. And make a note of this point, and also that all the objects such as towers, trees, ships shall be considered as linear for mathematical convenience through this section, and the height of the observer is neglected if it is not given in the problem. So this was the basic introduction on heights and distances. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to VTechAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.